Nih video YouTube. Nih video YouTube. Suka gitu nopo. Mercedes nara ira. Kaki tinu. Substance. Oh, evara tuh evara. Oh, sinai kacil. Sabi no pokore sinai. Oh, si person. Wah, oh, where sinai kai. Nem me faticar o ser grato. Ja, oot sit se menee.
Okay. 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 I don't know. I don't know.
Lari lari lari. Lari wakira. Lari. Iraya kireu. Iraya rikussa kuruna ja meitä memessä sai class.
Iya, rikussa kuruna ja meitä. Itu dari kamu.
Guys, ready? Tepe. Paga fefingato. Joo. ขี่ไก่ได้ว่าได้รุ่งโรงเรียนยากเสีย
If you would please rise for the presentation of colors by the Central High School KROTC. Presenting the colors today are Cadet Commander Korean, Cadet Alice Roberts, Cadet Lacey Barnett, Cadet Memphis Owens, Cadet Katie Sollers. In honor of those who have supported us along the way, who have inspired us, and who are no longer with us, let us observe a moment of silence. Let us remember their contributions, their love, and their enduring impact on our lives. Thank you. I want to remind you to please remain standing at the conclusion of our national anthem until the colors have left the stage. The national anthem will be performed today by senior Dayton Fitzpatrick. Thank you, David. Please be seated. Good afternoon, everyone. Fellow faculty and staff, proud families and friends, and most of all, the extraordinary class of 2026. My name is Jeff Sullivan, and it's my great honor and heartfelt joy to welcome you to Central's 160th graduation ceremony. Some of this class has been with me now for 6 years, coming from Truman Middle School and then on to Central. And I'd say the feelings have been mixed from them and me during that time. But it's been an honor to watch not only them, but all these graduates grow into the young adults that you see before you. This group right here represents over $6 million in scholarships that have been awarded to them. So let's have a round of applause. Before we begin, I'd like to, my pleasure to introduce today's platform guests that we have here. I'd ask each of them to stand and for you to hold your applause until all are recognized. First, our student representatives, Mr. Christian Lopez, Student Body President. Mr. Parker Von Hirschbach, Senior Class President. Our faculty speaker, our meditation speaker, Dr. Vicki Bryan. Our commencement speaker, Dr. Adam Brown. Our representative from Missouri Western State University, Dr. Jay Johnson, Provost and Vice President of Academic Affairs. Our counseling team, Mrs. Casey Arnott, Mrs. Sarah Dudek, Mrs. Shelley Fox, Mrs. Bethany Jewell, and Mrs. Catherine Kimball. And our other fellow building administration team, Mr. David Cheney, Mrs. Monica Flaska, and Mr. Brad Scott. And finally, the members of the St. Joseph School Board of Education and our district administration. Thank you. I'd also like to take a quick second to thank some behind-the-scenes people. Our sports marketing group is here, and they're doing all of the filming and everything for the live stream for those people who couldn't be here, that they're able to watch that. So I want to make sure I thank them. I also want to thank our band and our orchestra over here to my right. They get here really early, they play for those 10 minutes, and then they sit and wait for the room. And so I want to thank those all for taking their time out today to come. We have two people who helped us all week. They helped get those graduates ready in the back. Megan McKinney and Dr. Vicky Meyer helped in the back get all those kids. They've been dealing with these guys all week back there. So I want to make sure we thank all of those people. All right, at this time, I'd like to welcome Dr. Vicky Bryan to lead us with today's meditation.
Symbolism of the path is prevalent in literature. Walt Whitman wrote of the open road. Robert Frost encourages us to take the road less traveled. Abraham Lincoln proclaimed that to be genius, unexplored paths are necessary, and the most famous reference is to follow the open road. There are many paths before you today. And yes, I just use second-person you that was named in class writings. However, I use it today because these words are directly from my heart to all of you. No matter which path you choose, you will not walk alone. As the wisdom of your parents, grandparents, family, and friends, along with the guiding lessons of every teacher you ever had, walk silently within you. May our nurturing daily lessons
There is a three-way tie for Senate: Doa Hamdouni, Edison Kimmel, and Melody Montgomery. Ranking number 6 is Ray Watson. There is a three-way tie for salutatorian. Asaf Gupta, Alexander Royer, and Zeke Simpson. The valedictorian of the class of 2026 is Zion Pickett. This is your top 10 of 2026.
As these guys go back to their seats, let's give them one more round of applause. Next is the concert choir under the direction of Mr. Kyle Minks. They will perform a musical tribute to the class of 2026. Will the senior choir members please come forward?
Pedraza Cruz.
Tommy Fung, summa cum laude.
Henry Joel Phelps, cum laude.
Elmer Edison Phillip.
There she is.
Adriana Elaine Hicks.
Here it is, Jack.
Zion Reed Pickett, summa cum laude.
Faden Andrew Pierce.
Jackson Gregory Pierpont.
Mark Pius.
Fabrice Paulise.
Clara Sophie Pupa.
Axel Giovanni Prado Papoca.
Where?
Tristan Michael Purcell.
Natalia Ashea Quinn. Madeline Rose Rainwater.
Anderson Jose Ramirez Kristen.
Erika Alejandra Ramirez Velasquez.
Jasmine Rose Randall.
Ano ta?
Amina Renee Bentley.
Melinda, how did my dad?
Jason Michelle Green.
Ano ta?
Is he here?
Memory Rest. Tevion Jabbar Rose.
Isabel Ricardo Adolfo cum laude.
Daisy Dallas Rivera.
Paul Jacob Reyes Riviera.
Taro Elmer Robin.
Melinda, did you give the phone to my dad?
Haley Brielle Robertson.
Ziona Elizabeth Brody.
Diana Liz Rodriguez Clarion.
Christian Jose Rodriguez.
Luciana Camila Rodriguez.
Diana Rodriguez, Romo and Nate cum laude.
Mirella Rosa.
By moving your tassel to the left side of
Por
your neck.
eso le digo.
Ladies and gentlemen, I present you the 2026 graduate of Central High School. Congratulations. Students will meet you upstairs. Students will be grabbing their stuff and meet you upstairs, and we'll start to exit the buildings and we'll be ready for our next graduation. Congratulations.
Congrats!
Congratulations.